Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation covers the Diagnostic Trouble Code, or DTC P084C, specifically indicating a condition where the line pressure switch is stuck in the on position. This particular issue affects the Honda Accord models produced between 2012 and 2017. The line pressure switch plays a critical role in regulating the hydraulic pressure within the transmission system by signaling the powertrain control module, or PCM. The failure of this switch can lead to improper transmission operation and drivability issues. Throughout this guide, we will explore the error's description, causes, symptoms, and troubleshooting steps necessary to resolve the issue effectively. The information provided will help ensure that the diagnostic is accurate and that the necessary repairs maintain the overall functionality of the vehicle's transmission system. The DTC P084C, describing the line pressure switch stuck in the on position, is primarily related to the line pressure switch itself. This switch is a vital component that helps in regulating the hydraulic pressure output from the line pressure solenoid valve A. It is located within the hydraulic pressure output circuit, specifically where the solenoid valve disperses hydraulic pressure. When the line pressure solenoid valve is functioning correctly, it lowers the line pressure, turning the switch on. Conversely, if no pressure is outputted, the switch should signal off. The signal received by the PCM from this switch is crucial, as it enables the PCM to detect whether there's any malfunction in the solenoid valve operation. If the switch remains in the on position contrary to the PCM's command to turn it off, this results in the storage of the error code P084C. Understanding this error's context is essential for effective troubleshooting and repair. 3 primary causes have been identified for the DTC P084C. First, a short to ground in the line pressure switch can lead to erratic signals being sent to the PCM. This short circuit can prevent the PCM from receiving accurate data regarding the pressure executed by the solenoid valve. Next, the physical failure of the line pressure switch itself, such as it being mechanically stuck, could result in it remaining in the on position continuously. Lastly, an issue within the PCM's internal circuit can arise, resulting in a failure to properly interpret signals from the line pressure switch. It's crucial to note that these causes may not encompass every potential issue, but represent common failures associated with this DTC. A systematic approach to diagnosis is necessary to identify the specific problem affecting the vehicle. The symptoms associated with DTC P084C can significantly impact the vehicle's performance and indicate a malfunction within the transmission system. Most visibly, the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, will be illuminated on the dashboard, indicating the need for immediate diagnosis. Additionally, the automatic transmission, AT gear position indicator, may blink, signaling a communication fault within the transmission or control system. Motorists may also notice poor transmission performance, such as delayed or harsh shifting. These symptoms arise due to miscommunication between the line pressure switch and the PCM, affecting the hydraulic pressure regulation, essential for smooth operation. Being aware of these symptoms helps in early identification and prompt repair, minimizing potential vehicle damage. The first troubleshooting step involves starting the engine to initiate the diagnostic process. This step is crucial as it ensures that all electronic control units, including the PCM, are activated and can start monitoring various functions. After starting the engine, it is important to allow the vehicle to reach its normal operating conditions, which includes ensuring the automatic transmission fluid, ATF, reaches the required temperature and the system is ready for diagnostic checks. Ensuring the engine is running smoothly is vital before any further steps can be taken. Otherwise, inaccurate conclusions may be drawn regarding the source of the DTC. This initial step sets the stage for all subsequent diagnostic procedures. The second step requires the operator to drive the vehicle in D or drive mode and continue until the transmission shifts into 6th gear. This systematic approach tests the transmission under normal driving conditions and engages all necessary components, including the line pressure solenoid valve. Observing how the vehicle behaves during this process is crucial, as any irregularities in shifting performance or transmission response may indicate issues with the line pressure switch or solenoid valve. It is important to adhere to traffic regulations and maintain safe driving conditions when conducting this step. The collected data while driving will aid in clarifying whether the DTC is confirmed based on actual operational conditions. After completing the necessary repairs to address the issues associated with the DTC P084C, final verification is essential. This step involves utilizing an appropriate scan tool to clear the diagnostic trouble codes from the PCM. Following this, it is crucial to conduct a test drive under similar conditions as performed during troubleshooting to confirm that the issues have been resolved and that the DTC does not return. This verification process ensures that all repairs were conducted effectively and that the vehicle operates without fault. If the MIL remains off and the AT indicator functions without blinking, the repair can be deemed successful. Consistent verification strengthens confidence in the longevity of the repair made. Preventive maintenance plays a significant role in avoiding issues such as those described by the DTC P084C in the future. Regularly scheduled fluid changes on the transmission, particularly for ATF, help to maintain optimal hydraulic performance and reduce wear on components, including the line pressure solenoid and switch. Additionally, conducting routine inspections of the line pressure switch and associated wiring can help identify any potential failures before they result in serious issues. Ensuring that these preventive measures are part of regular vehicle maintenance can help in sustaining performance, optimizing drivability, and prolonging the lifespan of essential transmission components. Proactive maintenance ultimately leads to a more reliable driving experience and can save significant repair costs over time. In summary, it is essential to have a comprehensive understanding of the DTC P084C, its symptoms, and the potential causes behind it. Each troubleshooting step plays a vital role in diagnosing and resolving the issue. We started with initiating the engine and then tested the vehicle while monitoring its performance in different gears. Upon successfully addressing the problem, final repair verification steps should be undertaken to ensure that the DTC does not reappear after clearing. Furthermore, adopting preventive maintenance practices such as routine inspections and fluid changes can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering similar issues in the future. Adhering to these guidelines fosters long-term vehicle reliability and enhances overall performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!